Hello students, welcome to Shastra classes. Today we'll discuss about matrices. I am going to start with the example given in your textbook. Let me draw this table: books, pencils and pen, Ram, Sita, Lakshman. If Ram has 5 books, Sita has 10 books and Lakshman has 15, and Ram has 3 pencils, Sita has 8 pencils, Lakshman has 10 pencils, and Ram, Sita and Lakshman have 2, 5 and 2 pens respectively. So instead of presenting in the form of table, we can make it a matrix. So this is how a matrix looks. So matrix eliminates all these things. Okay. So if we only take the numerical part of a table, that is a matrix. Okay. Now we'll discuss the different types of matrix and the type of matrix. Generally, if you have seen that matrix is a rectangular array of numbers. Since a table is rectangular, obviously a matrix will always be rectangular. First point to be noted is it is rectangular. So these are rows: 5 3 2, 10 8 5, 15 10 2. These are rows, and these are columns: 5 10 15, 3 8 10, 2 5 2. So this matrix has 3 rows and 3 columns. It is denoted as 3 by 3 matrix. So generally a matrix is denoted as m by n matrix. It means the matrix has m rows and n columns. Now we'll discuss the different types of matrix. First one is a row matrix. So row matrix has only one row. Example: A, B, C. So it has only one row. Column matrix has only one column. These are the different types of matrix. You can note down: A, B, C. This is the example. And zero or null matrix has zero or null matrix. All elements are zeros. All elements are zeros. Example: 0 0 0 0, 0 0 0. So you can take any number of examples with element 0. So guys, square matrix. What is square matrix? Square matrix is something where a number of rows equals to number of columns. So if number of rows is equal to number of columns, it is a square matrix. Otherwise, it is a rectangular matrix. Rectangular matrix, if number of rows not equal to number of columns. So guys, scalar matrix scalar matrix is a matrix in which all the diagonal elements, okay, all the diagonal elements are equal and rest of the non-diagonal elements are 0. What is diagonal here? This one. So all the diagonal elements are k here and rest are all 0. Okay, diagonal elements are equal, non-diagonal elements are zeros. Unit matrix. So guys, unit matrix is similar to scalar matrix. All unit matrix, all diagonal elements are equal to 1. Diagonal elements equal to 1. Non-diagonal elements equals to 0. Next one, upper triangular matrix. So guys, it is simple. F. So guys, if you see, we have ABCDEF as a triangle. Okay, it forms a triangle here. In the upper triangle matrix, and all the elements below the triangle are 0 and all the elements in the triangle are not equal to 0. Okay, similarly we can draw a lower triangular matrix as well. I think you can draw it easily now. Lower triangular matrix. I am taking the example given in your ICI. So if you see, there's a triangle that has been formed here. So in the lower triangle, all the elements are not equal to 0. All the elements above the triangle are zeros. Okay, so this is how the upper and lower triangle matrices are formed. Submatrix. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. So guys, this is the normal matrix, out of which if I delete any row or any column and form another matrix, it will be a submatrix. Suppose if I want to take if I want to delete third row and want to take first and second columns, so it will be A, B, D, E. This is a submatrix. And another example could be, I want to delete only the first column, then I want to take second and third columns, B, E, H, C, F, I.